I want to show you how to make an easy, healthy matcha latte. If you're watching this, you already know the benefits of matcha, so I'm not going to go into all that. There's plenty of videos out there that'll do that. You're going to be really surprised how easy this is. First off, let's look at everything we're going to use. And that's it. Now here's all the measurements. Pretty simple, huh? Well, let's put it all together and see what it looks like. This is the simplest thing you're going to do all day, I promise.